Hi all, welcome back to Mathematics Online class. So today we are going to study the new topic, that is expanded form of decimals. We already studied the expanded form of normal numbers, the SA-1. Have you remember that? For example, suppose it is 254. How will you write the expanded form? It is 200 plus 50 plus 4. This is a way of writing expanded form of a normal number. But there is a slight difference in the case of writing the expanded form of a decimal. The place values are different, so the method of writing the expanded form also different. For example, if it is 68.145, how will you write the expanded form? 68.145 is a decimal number, okay? So how will you write the place value of this? So we know that is 68. How will you write? 60 plus 8. That is normal way. There is no other difference. Then we want to put is plus. Then after the decimal number, we need to write it as a fractions. We already know the place values. It is 1 by 10. It is 1 by 100. This is 1 by 1000. So how will you write it? 1 by 10. Here 1 by 100 means 4 by 100 plus here 5 by 1000. So this is the method of writing that expanded form of decimals. 60 plus 8, 1 by 10, 4 by 100, 5 by 1000. That is 1 out of 10, 4 out of 100, 5 out of thousands. Clear? Okay, one more example. If it is 3.105. How will you write this one? So simple. 3, only one number, plus. So it is 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. But if you are putting 0 by 100 or if you are not writing 0 by 100, the answer will be same. Okay, so 1 by 10 and 5 by 1000 means if there is no other number, we sure that there is 0. Okay, one more example. If it is 175.37. 175.37. How will you write the expanded form? All of you please try to say that expanded form. 175. 100 plus 70 plus 5 plus 37. How will you write 37? That is after the decimal. So it is 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Okay, don't change that. Okay, not 30 plus 7. It is after the decimal. So you have to put the place value. According to place value only you need to write. Okay, so it is 3 by 10 and 7 by 100. This is the method of writing the expanded form of decimal. Next one is standard form of the decimal. Okay, standard form. We already studied the standard form of the normal numbers last classes, isn't it? So listen. For example, if it is 300 plus 40 plus 1. How will you write the standard form? 341. We will write it 341. So what about the decimal number? For example, if it is 20 plus 5 plus 6 by 10 plus 8 by 100. How will you write the standard form of the decimal number? It is a decimal number. Why? Because we can see fraction numbers also with that. So we could understand that this is a decimal number. How will you write the standard form? 20 plus 5, that is 25. 20 plus 5 is 25. The normal number is over. So you can insert the dot, decimal. Then 6 by 10. We know that it is tens. The position is tens position. This is hundreds position. Okay, so tens position is 6. 100 position is 80. You need to write only the numerator of that fraction. You need to write only the numerator. You need to check the denominator. If the denominators are continuously has come, for example 10, 100, 1000, it is coming like that. In order it is coming. If there is no missing, you can write the numerator according to that. Okay, one more example. If it is 330 plus 7 plus 8 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. How will you write the standard form of this number? 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7. How will you write 30 plus 7? It is a whole number, so it is 37. So the whole number is over. The fractions are starting, so you can insert the decimal. Here, 100 starting with 100, but actually the decimal place starting with which place value? 1 by 10. So there is no tens position is not there. It is missing. So you can put the 0. Then hundreds position 8. 1000 place 6. Okay, so hundreds and thousands, so you can write the numerator like that. So the standard form that 37.086. Okay, one more example. If it is 70 plus 3 plus 2 by 1000, how will you write? 70 plus 3, 73. So you can insert the dot decimal. Then 2 by 1000, only 2 by 1000. There is no tens, no hundreds. Thousands is 2. So it is 73.002. Clear? It is clear? Okay, this is the method of writing the standard form. So we studied how to write the expanded form and how to write the standard form. Okay. Then the next topic, a small topic, that is comparison. Comparison of decimals. Comparison. Okay. All the chapters we are studying the comparison. Okay. It's the same by using the less than, greater than and equal to symbol. We can compare the decimals also. Very easy. Okay. So what is that? For example, 6.72. Okay. And 8.72. 6.72 and 8.72. We need to compare. So how will you compare? There are 3 steps you have to keep it in mind. Okay. The first step is that whenever you are getting the decimal numbers for comparing, starting from the, you have to start the comparison from the whole number. You need to start the comparison from the whole number. Here the whole number is 6. Here the whole number is 8. So normally we know that 6 is less than 8. So this number is less than. Clear? Okay. Another example. Listen here. 2.95 and 2.3. 2.95 and 2.3. Okay. So starting from the whole number. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. 2 2s are same numbers. Then what we need to do? When we need to look at the next first 1 by 10's position. The first position place value of a decimal. So here it is 9. Here it is 3. So 9 or 3, which is greater? 9 is greater. So you can use this greater than symbol. Okay. Again, another example. If it is 12.593, 12.50, okay, 12.50. How will you compare this one? So listen here. 12, 12. Same, equal numbers. Starting the first next, you have to compare the next one. This is 5, this is 5. That is also same. Then you look at the tens, hundreds position, hundreds position. Here it is 9, here it is 0. So which one is greater? Yes, normally this number is 9 is greater than 0. Okay, another example. Another example. 8.573, 8.5. 8.573 and 8.5. Okay, so whenever you are getting the decimal numbers for comparing, it is easy to make first like decimals. We studied what are like decimals. Like decimals means the decimal places are same. Here 3 decimal places, here only 1 decimal places. So you need to make it like decimals by putting 2 more zeros. Now it become like decimals. Now it is easy to compare. Here it is 8, here it is 8. Next, starting from the first place of the decimal 5, here is also 5. That is also equal. Next is 7, next is 0. So we know that 7 is greater than 0. Clear? If it is 9.25, 9.25. 9 equal 2, 2, 5, 5. So these are equal. So only the 3 steps you have to keep it in mind. The first step is that starting from the whole number. If the whole numbers are same, you have to start from the first position. That is 10th position of the decimal. If the 10th position also same, you have to look at the hundredths position. If the hundredths position also same, look at the thousandths position. Okay, but it is easy to compare by making the like decimals. If the two numbers are unlike decimals, make it like decimals and then compare. That is easy. For making the like decimals, you have to insert the zeros in the right side of the decimal. Zero has no value. Okay, so it is easy to study the ascending and descending order also. Okay, ascending and descending order. So first ascending order, okay, very easy. For example, 8.26, 8.64, 2.86, 8.16. Okay, all are 6, isn't it? So by seeing that, you can see that all confused. Really, you will confuse. So what you need to do, first you have to write down that in a vertical order: 8.26, 8.64, 2.86, 8.16. Have to write in a vertical order. Then you just compare. Okay, then you have to compare. So look at the first, look at the whole number. Here ascending order means small to big. Here 88 to 8. Yes, so this number is the smallest number. Here 2 is smaller than 8. So this is the first number. So you can write it 2.86. Okay, less. So you can cut it. Then next you can cut that. Okay, otherwise there will be confusion. Next 80, 80, 80. Okay, both are starting from 8. Then look at the next number 261. So 16, that is the smaller number. So 8.16. Okay, that is also cut. Two numbers are left. 8, 8. 2, 6. 2 is less number. So this is third number. Okay, 8.26. Next 8.64. So this is the method of writing the ascending order. Okay, one more example I will show you. Listen here. 5.3, 5.32, 5.236, 5.63. Okay, the numbers are like this. What you want to do? First you have to arrange in vertical order. Okay, 5.3, 5.32, 5.236, 5.63. So this is unlike decimals, isn't it? So some decimals have 3 places, some decimals have only 1 places. Okay, so what you want to do? You need to make it like decimals by putting zeros. So the maximum number is 3. So you have to make everything is 3 by putting zeros. Easy. Only you need to insert 0. Then you have to compare. All the whole numbers are starting with the 5, equal number. So you have to starting from the tens position. 3, 3, 2, 6. Ascending means small. So 2 is the smallest number. You can make it 1. So 5.236. That is the smallest number. Next, so this is already we written. 3, 3, 6. So 3, 3, 6 is greater. 2, 3 are there. Okay, then you have to look at the next position. 0, 2. Which is the smallest 0. So we can write it is 2. 5.300. Okay, then the next one, 5, 3, here 5, 3, 6, 3 is the smaller. Okay, so this is the third position, 5.320. Okay, then last one, 5.630. Okay, so whenever you are getting the decimal numbers for comparing, what you want to do, you need to first you have to make it a like decimals, then you have to write in the vertical order and compare. Otherwise there will be confusion by seeing all the numbers are looking very same. So this you will have the confusion. So just to do like this, there will not be any confusion. Okay, so watch the video very carefully 1 or 2 times and you try to do the exercise in the textbook also. Okay, we will discuss the answers and explain everything in the live session also. So thank you and have a nice day.